Hi, in last video we saw like how we can create or generate a Spring Boot project from the Spring Initializer tool. Now in this video we'll see like how we can import this project in some IDE like Intellij and how we can start the application. So first thing I'll do is like I have put this project in this PC local disk C and workspace folder. So I'll just extract it here first. So once this get extracted, I'll go to my IDE, which is Intellij. Now I'll click on file and then I'll click on open. And from here, if you see in workspace folder, this project is there. This folder is there, sample project. I'll just click on this sample project folder and then I'll click on OK. So it will ask like, do you trust project? I'll click on yes, I trust this project. Now it is asking like, oh, where would you like to open this project? Do you want to open it in same window or you want it to open it in new window? So I'll click as this window only because I want to open the project in the same window. One thing is to remember here is that if we are going to click the first option, which is like open in this window, it will close the current project which is open in the window, and then on that place it will open this project. So if you see here, there is some processing going on like resolving Maven dependencies. So what here, like what is happening here is it is downloading the dependencies which we have added in our project from the open internet, and all the dependencies which gets downloaded comes to this external libraries folder. So this dependencies are nothing but a jar file. So that jar is a like collection of library, or like it is a library class which we are going to use in our project here. So now if we expand the src folder and inside, if we go to main and then go to Java, there is one class sample project application, and this is annotated with @spring boot application. So this is the main class, or we can say like this is the starting point from where our application gets started. So whenever we want to start the project or whenever we want to start this application, we'll have to start this class. So what we can do is we can right click on this class, and if we see here there are different options, but we'll select if we want to run this project, so we'll click on run sample project. And now if you see, firstly the build will get started. So now the build is happening. Once the build is done, this project will get started. So build is done. Now this Spring Boot project is getting started. As you can see here, this is a Spring Boot project and it is having version as 2.7.5. Once the project is started on some server, you will be able to see this option here. Tomcat started on port 8080. So 8080 is the default port number, but if you want to change this port number with some specific port number, what you can do is you can go to the resources. Inside that there is one application.properties file, and here we can just mention like server.port equals to, suppose we want to use 8081. So now we will just stop the application and we'll try to start it again. So you can see the application has been stopped. Now if we try to start it again from here, so first build is happening. Let it complete. Once the build is completed, the project gets started. Now this project is getting started, and now if you will see, the same project has been started on the port number 8080, which we gave here in this application.properties file. So there are like different other configurations also in future we'll give in this application.properties file.